This AI tool promises passive income streams in minutes, so I tested it for a full week. Stick around, the results surprised me. Today, I'm breaking down AMBIT AI, a new tool hitting the make money online scene. It claims to automate affiliate marketing and content creation without tech skills. I put it through real paces as a beginner would. But does it deliver? Let's dive in before I spoil the verdict. AMBIT AI is an all-in-one platform for beginners wanting passive income online. Think of it as your AI sidekick for affiliate marketing. It generates content, finds products, and even builds funnels. No coding, no experience needed. But wait, is it just hype? I wondered the same. Sales page says it handles everything from niche research to email sequences. Perfect for newbies scared of tech overload. Let me walk you through it like I did on day one. Storytelling style. I signed up, feeling skeptical. Step 1. Pick a niche. I chose fitness gadgets, easy for affiliates. Step 2. AI scans trending products. Boom! Lists Amazon links with commissions up to 20%. But here's where it gets smooth. Step 3. Hit generate. It spits out blog posts, social captions, even YouTube scripts optimized for SEO. Step 4. One-click funnel builder. Links to your affiliate offers, auto emails leads. Step 5. Analytics dashboard tracks clicks and sales in real time. I set it up in 15 minutes. Sounds too easy? Keep watching. Alright, real talk. I tested AMBIT AI for 7 days straight. No cherry picking, just honest use. Day 1. Setup took 10 minutes. Generated my first fitness review post. Shared on a free blog. Got 5 clicks instantly. Open loop. But day 2? Things heated up. I ran 3 campaigns: fitness, crypto tools, and beauty affiliates. I wrote 10 pieces of content per niche. Traffic sources? Built-in social sharer pushed to Twitter and Facebook groups. One post hit 200 views overnight. Wait, it gets better. A sale popped minus $27 commission on autopilot. But here's where things got interesting. The AI tweaked headlines based on clicks. Version B outperformed A by 3x. Not all smooth though, more on that soon. I spent 30 minutes daily monitoring. Scaled to 5 funnels by day 5. Honest results after 7 days. $147 in affiliate commissions. Not millions, but solid for zero ad spend. Good. 1,200 total visitors, 4% conversion rate. Passive, earned $23 while sleeping. Bad. Early content felt generic. Needed my edits for voice. One funnel glitched on mobile. But there's a catch. Support fixed it in 2 hours. Overall, beat manual work by 5x speed. Traffic spiked 40% after AI SEO tweaks. Realistic for beginners. $100,500 per month potential with consistency. Pros. Beginner-proof setup. Fast content gen saves hours. Real analytics, not fluff. Affordable entry, under $50 per month. Cons. Outputs need personalization. No built-in traffic beyond basics. Learning curve for advanced funnels. Which matters more? Depends on you. Perfect for absolute beginners in affiliate marketing. If you're overwhelmed by tools like ClickFunnels or Jasper, this simplifies it. Not for pros with custom setups, too basic there. Ideal if you want $500 per month side hustle without 9-5 skills. Students, freelancers, or moms testing online income? Yes. Is AMBIT AI worth it? Yes, for beginners 8/10. Delivers real results without scams. Not a get-rich-quick, but smart automation for passive income. Skip if you hate tweaking AI output. If this fits your goals, grab it via the link in description. I've got an affiliate deal, full disclosure. But watch my full demo first to decide smart. Your move?